pubic hair on his head with that hat.
Oh my God, that's a very pretty hat.
You would say that. You would say that. And quit waving. You love the fans. You love the 200 fans I got. See, look, she's rude, isn't she?
Not rude.
Yeah, you just said I don't like him. I don't like him. I swear.
Oh,
They're just gonna put jizz all over my head. Oh God.
Will you stop making them?
Man.
Hey, Walker
Right.
Flame got arrested.
I touched it and it was like.
Yeah, for doing drugs.
Doesn't surprise me.
Like security guard came through. I was like, I just touched it. I said I was gonna play Angry Birds. That was it. Stop videotaping me.
I'm not. It's only been going for like a minute and 25 seconds.
I had to try it. YouTube is fucked up. No one likes YouTube. You gotta put it on Facebook.
Okay, I will. I don't know which one I should put it on. Hey, how about I put them on both? It's even worse. Huh? I put cussing in mine and they didn't. Oh, you'll think I'll get flagged, won't you?
Yeah, they will flag
I
you.
hope you get flagged.
Flag this!
Flag it, because he's a douchebag. See this guy back here?
Him.
He's a douchebag.
He's trying to make his own show.
Show.
Show about. Hey guys, watch this. Watch this.
Cameron's magic.
Huh? It's a rip-off Blackberry.
It's a rip-off Blackberry.
Made by Pantech. It's I hate my phone. It sucks.
It hardly even works anymore because you ran it over the four-wheeler like 4 times.
My mom has
And you throw it into a rock like 2.
They've been recalling them.
What?
These phones, but they won't recall mine.
Well, haven't you like ran it over with the four-wheeler like 4 times already?
I've been ran over around 3 times.
3 times? How many times did you throw it in the cornfield?
Been inside the grain bin and off the top of the grain bin a lot.
Hey. He's got a good arm. Trust me, he's been trying to break it for like, how long?
Long time. I can break it easy. I'll just go like that, but I don't want to because then I'll lose my phone for like 3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3
Because
weeks tops.
they won't send me money. And I'll lose all my pictures.
Yeah. But if you got it on a SIM card, you can.
Not really. That never
Take it out.
I did have my old one and I lost my.
Switch. Switching sides.
I'll get right back. Garrett is a douchebag and he likes sucking dick. We all know it, so. Nope, Cameron does. See this douche right here. He likes. Everybody's a douche on this bus. Yep,
According to
including
you.
you. Nope, according to you. And according, yeah,